Asking follow-up questions after interpreting data. Question: we know that science is very much an iterative process. Can you describe for us your process for developing your follow-up questions after you have interpreted a set of data?
Hello, my name is Marile Colon Robles, and I'm the project scientist for NASA Globe Clouds at NASA Langley Research in Hampton, Virginia. When I study data, I look at what it's telling me. So I look at the ways that I'm showing the data or plotting the data to see the information that I can get from it. Once I can read what the data is telling me, I always like to think of what could be influencing or affecting the results. So as an example, I love clouds and I study clouds. And I was doing an experiment looking at clouds over the ocean. And one of the things that we set out to ask was, are there other things happening that can cause the results? So are there big picture things or small picture things that can be affecting the results? Because remember, we live in a system and there's many different things that can affect the data or the results. So when I'm looking at data, I think of what other things or factors could be affecting it. And I always try to think big. What are other big changes that could be happening that affect the results that I'm seeing or can lead to results that I'm seeing? And then what are smaller things, smaller changes that could lead to the results? Those are some of the questions that I always ask when I look at data, and I make sure that the data, that I did all the math properly and that there are no errors in how I analyzed the data and how I plotted the data.